Want to read and write in Hebrew and master the Hebrew alphabet? Then you need the Hebrew Alphabet Made Easy course. You get fast and easy lessons that teach you how to write and pronounce every letter of the alphabet so that you can finally start reading and writing on your own. Sign up for a premium account at HebrewPod101.com and get 30% off. That's just $7 a month or 23 cents a day with our exclusive discount. Get started right now. You unlock 20 video lessons, each just 3 to 6 minutes long. Just press play, and we'll guide you through every letter of the alphabet, stroke by stroke. You'll also learn tips and tricks for memorizing the letters. You get printable lesson notes, so you can practice writing, and even lessons on how to read the Bible in Hebrew. So, if you're ready to finally read and write in Hebrew, click the link in the description, get 30% off premium at HebrewPod101.com, and get the Hebrew Alphabet Made Easy course.